Good morning, everyone. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly, all while teaching my two kids the plumbing trade, my two plumbing apprentices. And for today's plumbing adventure, we have CB2 going to clear a small drain in the kitchen. I'm going to go pick up CB2, and then we're going to head to the kitchen job. So I believe this is his first time with a small machine. And like any plumbing apprentices, it's just being comfortable with what you got to do with the equipment. So if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We truly appreciate it. Follow this journey. It's going to be a long one, but well worth it, because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. It's a great trade to learn and a great trade to feed your family. We'll see you inside. CB2 tackling his first drain machine job. I got to put this cable in the job. And now it's not going to cooperate and back up for us. There it goes. There it is. She's backing up. I'll stop it before it makes a mess. One screwdriver. Broke the tap off there. You feel those?
Maybe pull it out.
I'm the best helper, CB. There it is. What's it look like down there? You want a flashlight?
Doesn't look great.
That doesn't look great?
Nah.
Start feeding that snake a little bit at a time. Oh yeah, hit that with the snake. Hold on, time out. Your knee goes on it when you want it to turn.
Yeah.
You could actually push the cable and probably push that out.
Okay.
Yeah. And what I would do, just get comfortable so you're not reaching over the machine and going to get caught in that belt. You understand?
Yeah.
There you go. Going down? Snake going down?
Yeah.
Work it back and forth. You can actually let go of the cable. You can move. Yeah, there you go. This way it doesn't tangle up on you. Just push it back in the machine if you have to. Alright, start running it again. There you go. The best thing to do is just be in control of that cable, man. If you feel it starting to bind up, take your knee off the bubble. See, babe. Pull it all the way out. See what we got. Right, hit her again, baby. The best way to do it is like 12 inches at a time. Oh, I smell that kitchen grease. It smells good. I love it. I think you got it, CB, because guess what? Not backing up no more. Now we've got to fix this leak. Well, let this run, right?
Hot seems to get hot.
Is it hot?
Yeah. Too close.
There's some grease for you. See on the head? Food, probably celery. Good job. One of your more easier drains, CB. As you see. We got the classic commercial sink strainer leak again. What is the best material to use? Putty or silicone? Now, am I going to get lucky and just be able to pop this off without touching the... Chucky, hold back on that down bottom, please. Don't let it twist, okay? We're working on the same sink that was clogged. Now we're fixing the leak. Hold it tight, baby. Alright. You got pliers on CB? How about we get some pliers? You got it now? It should pop. Pliers, CB. On it tight. I'm gonna go slow. Is that going to fall, Chuck, or no? You're good, right?
Paper towel? Something?
Yeah, paper towel, a rag of some sort. Alright, paper towel's right there at the top. Let's see if I get one of these vinyl washer kits to work. You can give me a putty job on this. Nice and thin.
Aren't these rubber down here?
Huh?
Aren't these ones you have now rubber?
Yeah. Oh. These are tired. We're going vinyl and rubber. It's a shame they ain't the right size. Hold on. This one looks bigger. It says commercial sink, right? There we go. That's the one right there. Seems like a winner to me, CB. Seems like a winner to me. Alright, get ready to hold back. Oh, not yet. Okay, push up on that, Chucky, for me. Right there? Alright. Hold on. Don't cross thread it now, Chucky. Don't cross thread. Hold it. Keep holding it. I'll get your gloves on. Don't want Chucky to get dirty. Chuck, baby. The kitchen. Alright, here we go. Alright, push up. It's the end of the day. Everything's a little sloppy. Patience are a little short right now. Nope, I'm not ready. Now look at me. You see what I'm trying to do, right? Now look, right there is what I want, okay? Don't move it. What we don't want to do is we don't want to cross thread this joker. Famous last word. There it goes. Come on. Be good to daddy. Get comfortable. Ready? You got one more. Hold back. It's going to get tight.
Yeah.
Alright, you hold back nice. Here we go. Don't get tight. Let me know if you can't hold it, okay? So I'm going all the way. Get a regrip. Ready? Here we go, Daddy. All right. That drain. Let's test out your snake job. Looking good, looking good. No more drippy, drippy. Clear drain and make, shut it off. Shut the water. What we got?
From the CB1.
He ain't never gonna get it till he gets it. CB2. Representing the greenhouse today. $100 fine, CB. And there goes another satisfied customer.